Significant advances in science and engineering depend on collecting and using massive quantities of data. In the automotive industry, for example, the amount of data involved in designing safer cars and trucks is staggering. Data generated in other research areas, such as AIDS, the ozone layer, weather forecasting, and new sources of natural resources, is equally staggering. Without the help of large systems and powerful software, it is difficult, if not impossible, for researchers to analyze the quantities of data involved. Scientists and engineers must see the results of their computations in pictures, and they need pictures that change as they shift the parameters of their simulations. In other words, they need to visualize their computations. At the University of California at Irvine, providing visualization tools to faculty researchers has high priority. Staff members at the Office of Academic Computing are responsible for helping faculty members select the right application programs, vectorize existing programs, and visualize results. The Office of Academic Computing at UCI uses AVS visualization software. UCI chose AVS, which is rapidly becoming the industry standard. They chose AVS because it offers a common visualization tool that is available for many different computing environments.
One of the problems in the past is that we did our computing on remote locations, so it would require hours, if not days, for the results to come back to the faculty. To have supercomputing capability on the campus provides almost instantaneous turnaround in their calculations. The advantage of an interactive environment using visualization terminals and an on-site supercomputer means almost instantaneous calculation and feedback from the faculty member to the calculation.
For a high-performance supercomputer to drive compute-intensive simulations, the UCI group uses a Convex C240 system and Convex AVS visualization software.
Convex and Convex AVS have redefined the manner in which scientific researchers are able to interact with their data. The Convex fits very well in the heterogeneous computing environment that characterizes UC Irvine's academic computing. With the Convex, you can use very large data sets. Convex AVS provides a way of viewing those data sets and viewing the results of their computation from a variety of different perspectives.
Faculty members in several disciplines are using this combination of high-performance computing and visualization for a variety of research and instructional projects. For example, human cell research is in its infancy. A UCI research team is linking the Convex supercomputer with a confocal microscope to determine how pollutants, such as cigarette smoke, enter and move through a human trachea cell.
The confocal microscope provides us with a new means of looking inside of cells. This is the first time that we have been able to combine structure and function together by visual reconstruction of the three dimensions within a cell.
With Convex AVS, these researchers can image multiple planes and stack them into pictures that include more than 1 million triangles in order to understand aspects of cell structure that may affect aging, cancerous growths, and the effects of pollution on public health. Another team at UCI is using Convex AVS in a long-term study of schizophrenia to visualize magnetic resonance imaging of the human brain. UCI researchers are using the Convex AVS Protein Data Bank Viewer for biochemical studies of the relationship between structure and function in proteins. Computational chemists are using Convex AVS unique Gaussian and MOPAC viewers. One faculty member is studying carbon-60. Another is using Convex AVS to render the thousands of frames required for research in the emerging science of chaos and the dynamics of highly excited molecules. Researchers in UCI's School of Engineering are using Convex AVS to simulate spray combustion in order to minimize combustion instabilities in rocket engines and pollution emissions from hazardous waste incinerators. And another UCI team has modeled California's Newport Bay to determine the types, sources, and impacts of pollutants in the bay. UCI computer specialists have taken advantage of the fact that Convex AVS is an open visualization program. They have added a number of modules, such as a module for visualizing axisymmetrical data sets to meet faculty research needs. They have also added modules for instructional use. These include modules for displaying planetary motion and for representing general vector fields in terms of their underlying equations. Convex Computer Corporation has invested 12 research years in refining the AVS visualization environment for use with Convex supercomputers. Now, with Convex AVS, researchers doing advanced computational science in many different fields can use the same visualization package with a consistent user interface and see the results of massive computations. They need no special equipment to move their research programs to a Convex supercomputer. If they are using a ColorX terminal or a graphics workstation and have access to a network, they can start using the Convex AVS environment to develop visualization procedures for their own work. Learning Convex AVS is a relatively simple, virtually intuitive, point-and-click process. Researchers who have never used AVS visualization software will have little difficulty. To build their own visualization processes, researchers select modules that read their application output and convert it to Convex AVS input. Then, they select filters that identify specific portions of the data for visualizing. Finally, they select the mappers and renderers for generating the kinds of visuals they want to see. Then they link those modules as they would link the elements of a flowchart. The Convex AVS environment is so powerful and so easy to use, researchers have the flexibility to explore many what-if scenarios, changing parameters and seeing the effects of these changes immediately. Researchers can now tackle the largest, most advanced simulation problems and quickly see results under virtually unlimited conditions.